Hey, this is Laura with WTI. Are you looking to have a fabulous spa treatment in the comfort of your own home? Then check out these awesome face masks by DERMAL. I've really enjoyed incorporating these masks into my skincare routine. I love that its pack comes with so many, it's hard to choose a favorite. But something I really appreciate about this product is how much product the face mask has. There's even leftover in the bag. I made sure not to waste any of that product, and I also rubbed some of it into the skin on my arms as well. I like that it's easy to put on and you can sit back for 15 minutes and enjoy your favorite show. Afterwards, I really make sure to rub the product into my skin so that I can absorb all the nutrients. I rub and pat the product. This is how my skin looked before using this. I had some redness in my skin and acne breakouts. This is after a couple of uses. You can see that it has gone down quite a bit, and this is after about 2 weeks of using the product. Can definitely tell a difference in my skin. I'm super happy that I have added these face masks to my skincare routine. You want to add it to yours too, and that's my point of view.